Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, William. Yeah, that's my boy. Oh, I'm sure it's looking so good. Yeah, baby, stop. For my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm doing my daddy duties today. I'm going for my sons. As you can see, it's looking good. It's cultural day, and we are about to have a nice time. William, say hello to my YouTube family, baby. Say hello to our YouTube family.
Hello
Guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, follow us to the end. Let's catch one with William today. I'm doing my father's duties as first time, going for his cultural day. Guys, let's do this. we had a wonderful time. I mean, it was the cultural day, the Nigerian culture, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa. It was fun. Yeah, William, wasn't it? So yeah, it's very important that we, make sure that our kids are familiar with our culture. So I mean, if you are from Nigeria, wherever you're from, I want you to comment in the comment section. Just say hello in your language. It's very important we teach our kids their culture. So with that said, please subscribe to this channel and drop a like button, and don't forget to share this video. Until the next one, it's peace out. Say bye.